2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. This Dove 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner, 4-pack, is designed to deeply clean and invigorate hair for men with active lifestyles. Clarifying Men's Shampoo and Conditioner 2-in-1. The Dove Men+Care 2-in-1 fresh and clean functions both as a shampoo and conditioner, simultaneously cleaning and conditioning hair in one step. Strengthens and thickens thinning hair in men. This effective 2-in-1 formula also helps strengthen hair, leaving it visibly thicker, healthier, and more resilient against hair breakage. Healthy Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. Infused with a blend of caffeine and menthol, this shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1 washes away dirt and grease and leaves hair feeling refreshed. Men's Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. This 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner is specially engineered for men and suitable for daily use for stronger, more resilient hair for an active lifestyle. Dove Men+Care Collection. This shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1 bundle pack for men goes well with Dove Men+Care Defining Pomade, Dove Men+Care Extra Fresh Body Wash, and Dove Men+Care Antiperspirant. Deeply cleans and invigorates. Designed for men with active lifestyles, this Dove Men+Care 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner thoroughly cleans and conditions hair in just one step. Enriched with caffeine menthol. Infused with a blend of caffeine and menthol, this 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner washes away dirt and grease and leaves you feeling refreshed. Strong, resilient hair. This effective 2-in-1 formula also helps strengthen hair, leaving it visibly thicker, healthier, and more resilient against breakage. Care for your hair, the planet. All of our bottles are recyclable. We are also on a journey to have all bottles made with 100% recycled plastic. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. My husband is so picky about everything. This is one product that we order with a subscription because my husband loves it so much.